Hi everyone, my name is Manish Karki. My ID is 34115626. Today I am going to present a digital concept for Next called Next Community Hub. This idea focuses on improving engagement with younger customers, especially Gen Z, through a new features called New Community Fashion Hub. I'll explain the problem and the solution and I believe this in a good investment for the next. I'll start by explaining the problems, then introduce my idea, show the research behind it, and finally explain why it is a realistic and valuable opportunity for Next. Well, Next is a UK fashion brand which was established in 1982. It has in 1999 it opened its e-commerce platform. Today the Next app works well. Customer can easily browse product and make purchase, but the people shopping behavior in digital market is changing very fast. Let me explain the problem and opportunities behind the fashion shopping has changed, especially for young customers. Today in Gen Z, it doesn't just browse product and buy them. They discover fashion through others people, throughout interaction and through social platforms. The Next app also works for purchasing, but it is mainly transactional. User browse, buy, and then leave. There is very little reason for them to stay longer or return frequently. As compared to companies like ASOS and Shein, Next offers less interactions, where it inspires and community based features for Gen Z. This create a clear opportunity if Next brings social features in its existing app. It can increase engagement, encourage repeat visit, and stay relevant with younger customer. The target audience is 18 to 30, mainly Gen Z and young minimalists. They follow fashions, trend, and online and are influenced by other people and share the content in other people. This concept targets user generated age between 18 to 30. This group is very active on social media and follows fashion trend online. Instead of relying on brand advertising, they are strongly influenced by what other people wear and share. They enjoy discovering trends through real users and engaging with content. They are influenced by what other people wear and share. About the concept view, the Next Community Hub is a new feature that is included inside the existing Next app. Where right now people use the Next app mainly for searching, browsing products, buy and leave. With this concept, people can see what other are wearing, share their own outfit, and get inspired. User can scroll through outfit posters created by real people, just like they do on social platforms like TikTok and Instagram. They can interact with others and take part in style challenges, which make them more experience and more gaming experience. Where a user see and see outfit, where user see the outfit they like, they don't need to leave the app or search separately. They can shop the product directly from the post. The unique selling point. Mm, what makes this concept unique is that it brings three things together in one place. First one is community driven. The content comes from real users. We can share their outfits and experience. And gamification and challenges. Is included, like challenges and voting. Shopping is and the third one is shopping is seamless. where users can enjoy the content, interact with others, and still buy product without leaving the app. About the theoretical foundation, UX design principle, gamification theory, technology accept model, and MVP approach. Where the technology accept model shows that people adopt new features when they feel useful and easy to use. Mm, where which supports adding this concept into the existing next app, and the MVP approach reduces the risk by testing ideas before scaling. Whereas gamification theory helps these features to challenge and gain the rewards in engagement, which makes them to repeat and come regularly. Technology and MVP. Technology and it helps to build in next existing app with infrastructure AI used for outside recommendation and content and moderations, where where AI helps for suggesting relevant output while moderates keeps the space safe and useful. The MVP approach reduce cost, lower risks, and allow next to learn more from a real user behavior. And this is a prototype of my new content new project, where the community fashion hub is attached inside the next app in separate section, so users can easily find it from the main menu. Where user open the community hub, they see a feed of real people wearing next product and sharing their outfits. It's by also including likes, comments, and voting, so user can interact with the content. User can also upload their own outfit photos and tags and tag in the next product. Where someone like an outfit, they can shop the full look directly from the post. Ethics and research design. The primary research was conducted a short mixed method survey with classmates. All participants was voluntary and anonymous. Whereas the research was conducted in line with the University of West London ethics guidelines. Talking about the primary research finding, it, it is seen that 77.8 percentage they respond that they are already following fashion trend on social media, whereas 66.7% enjoy interactive features like challenges and sharing output. Whereas similarly, more than half they said that they would use a community hub instead is inside the next app. This supports the direction of proposal. Talking about the inside driven referencement, the inside it is based on the research. I refined the concept. Users clearly said that the user wanted inspiration and communication, not just only by the product while browsing. They also wanted more interaction. Existing shopping apps, they also say that the design must be more interactive, where they can share outputs like likes and votings, and they also can make the challenges in the gamifications. The competitors of this Nexus company Nexus are competitors of this brand is ASOS and Sin, where they are already using trend basis features, but Next has strong brand trust and quality. The community hub allows Next to compete digitally without changing its identity and compete in the Gen Z market. Mhm. About the feasibility and implementation, the idea is realistic. It builds on existing system. It is low technical risks. And, there is no need to develop any new app or replace current system. And scalable, the idea would be introduced through a phase row level. This allow Next to test performance, gather feedback, and control risks. Mm, Starting small allows testing, learning, and improving before scaling. About the strategic value, higher engagement lead to higher scale and stronger loyalty by connecting with Gen Z and now Gen Z. Next, secure futures customer and long-term growth, where we can use the AI, long-term relevance, higher engagement, strongly loyalty, and increased digital sales. About the responsibilities AI uses only for support. Support, it is not for decision making. It Not for the responsible is the community fashion hub, where AI is used only to support users, not to replace human decision. And likewise, it helps moderate content, so that community stays safe and appropriate. Similarly, AI also supports. Similarly, this also suggests relevant output, but it does not collect or use sentiments or data. Human oversight is always in place, and user privacy is protected. Whereas this ensure that AI use within the next app is responsible and ethical. To conclude, Next has a clear engagement gap with Gen Z and young generations. The Community Fashion Hub address this by adding outfit sharing and social interaction directly into the app. Whereas this also encourages users to spend more time in the app and return more and helps for returning more often and engage with real content from other customers. By adding these features in the next app, it helps to make the customer come again and again and enjoy the features, where the Gen Z, they always used to have the social features and gamification. They love to enjoy this gamification and social features. By allowing users to shop directly, it helps the users to shop directly from community posts. The concept also supports sales by turning them and showing them the inspiration to purchase and support the primary research. It is not so it is low risk solution that makes shopping more social. It is feasible and straight, and this is the reference. And thank you.